Dear students, in this problem, we have to find the value of cot of something which is a summation over n is equal to 1 to 23 of some expression involving cot inverse, which also again involves the summation. Let's take it one by one. This is the given expression. What about this summation? First of all, let's get that. This summation is 1 plus this 2 is constant with respect to summation, so 2 times summation of k for k is equal to 1 to n. So this is simply the sum of first n natural numbers, 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n, that will be equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 multiplied by 2. This gives us 1 plus n into n plus 1 as this value. Now if we write it properly, then forget about this cot, we will take care of that later on. The expression inside this cot, that is, let's call it E. Then E is equal to summation for n is equal to 1 to 23 of cot inverse 1 plus n multiplied by n plus 1. Now this cot inverse can be written as tan inverse. Summation is from 1 to 23, so we write it as tan inverse 1 upon 1 plus n into n plus 1. We further manipulate it as summation for n is equal to 1 to 23 of tan inverse. We write this 1 in the numerator as n plus 1 minus n divided by 1 plus n into n plus 1. Now this is the format which we always look for in the series involving tan inverse, because this can be splitted in two parts using this formula: tan inverse x minus y divided by 1 plus xy is equal to tan inverse x minus tan inverse y, and that formula is valid as long as you keep x and y positive. Here n plus 1 and n both are positive, so we can write this E is equal to summation for n is equal to 1 to 23 of tan inverse n plus 1, that is x for us, minus tan inverse n, that is y here. Now once we have written in this format, this is the telescoping format. When we put n is equal to 1 to 23, what happens is we get tan inverse 2 minus tan inverse 1 when we put n is equal to 1. Then we get tan inverse 3 minus tan inverse 2, and then we get tan inverse 4 minus tan inverse 3, and keep on doing it like that. Finally we end up getting tan inverse 24 minus tan inverse 23. Now you can clearly see from here that this tan inverse 2, that will cancel out this tan inverse 2, this tan inverse 3, that will cancel out this tan inverse 3. So when we are simplifying three brackets, three terms, we are left with the second part of the first term and first part of the last term. So when we go up to the end, cancelling out all the terms, we will be left with only tan inverse 24 minus tan inverse 1. Let's combine them also together by reversely applying this formula. So that will be tan inverse 24 minus 1 upon 1 plus 24 into 1, that is equal to tan inverse 23 divided by 25, and since this is tan inverse of something positive, we can write it as cot inverse of 25 by 23. And conversion in cot inverse, we have done that in purpose because we have to find the cot of this E. So required value which was expected from us is cot of cot inverse 25 by 23, and that is simply 25 by 23, and that is option B. So B must be the correct choice. Let's confirm it. B is the correct answer. Thank you.